Hey YouTubers, Chris from Gravy here, just talking about Shopify and how to reduce cart abandonment. Um, just wanted to show you in the Shopify user interface, a quick tutorial here. Where do you modify emails sent to reduce abandoned carts? So you go down to settings, and where you start is you want to go over to settings and notifications. And this is where you can customize all the emails sent to your customers, especially when they just put their name in their email, but they don't actually pay and complete their purchase. Um, this is where you can modify the confirmation emails as well when they do buy, but what I'm focusing on here is just the abandoned cart email. And there's a few options you might want to look at. So, you can see that there are a number of items here that you can edit all sorts of templates for various emails, so new order templates and so on. But what we're interested here in is the abandoned checkout settings. So what you want to do, and again, why this is important is 2/3 of people abandon their shopping carts on average, and you can reduce that by even, if you reduce it by even 10%, you can add huge revenue to your store. So here is the abandoned checkout email, and here you can add whatever you'd like. And what I'd recommend is a coupon code, something of high value. Um, I'm a high ticket seller, so I use a dollar value because my average order is around $1,600. So $50 off to complete your purchase. You add a coupon code. I use a minimum purchase, and that is enough incentive generally for up to 10% of people to change their mind and say, oh, okay, maybe I'll complete the purchase based on this discount. And so this email template actually saves the shopping cart and makes it super easy. It summarizes your coupon code, and you basically just click for the items in your cart and you can go back and restart your purchase. And it also shows nice pictures of what you were about to buy, and it makes it really easy. So I'll just go back to the settings area here. So we're in settings, just as a reminder, and these are checkout settings that I'm focusing on right now. And customer notifications, you can also customize, again, as I mentioned, other purchase templates. So the customize the thanks for your purchase. This is something else. You want to manage shipping expectations. If you're going to send tracking, mention it here. Here I mentioned you get a phone call prior to delivery. People always ask, what happens? How will I know if I'm home? Or how will they know if I'm home? So answer questions like that in this order confirmation. It's just really important to make sure you manage expectations. And also you notice beside the abandoned checkout, there are checkout settings. Now, if you go all the way to the bottom, you will find the abandoned cart settings here. And this is good to know. So it's going to send this abandoned cart email 10 hours after somebody abandons checkout. That's what they recommend. Sometimes I've tested with 1 hour afterwards. You might want to test with 24 hours. It depends, again, what's the nature of your business. I'm high ticket items, and getting people to make and pressurizing them too quickly to make an impulse purchase doesn't really work. They're spending thousands of dollars, but you do want to give them an incentive and give them a good coupon. So hope that helps. Just clarify a quick tutorial on how to recover your abandoned cart. carts with an email and using coupons. And I do have another video which shows where you go to create coupon codes, but everything's in the discounts area here to create coupon codes. So hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.